spark her feelings, then cut off the fuel. Make her soft, then make her wait. Give her a taste of paradise, then make her work to get back in. There is one thing every woman wants but won't say out loud: the pullback. She craves the withdrawal. So, give her a smile, make a connection, and then vanish as if her approval means nothing to you. You aren't ghosting, you are resetting your price. Let her sit in the quiet she never expected from you. That is where the addiction sets in. She might call you cold, you aren't. Being hooked doesn't happen when she gets her way. It happens the moment you stop giving it to her. She isn't obsessed with you. She is obsessed with the version of herself you stopped feeding. Quit trying to prove you are good enough. Start shaking up her comfort zone. That is how a man becomes hard to forget. Not by being loud, but by being so calm. It creates a war between her heart and her head. Quiet isn't distance. It is self-control. It is how you take back the lead without saying a word. She doesn't need to feel safe. She needs to feel unsure. The stillness after you leave changes her. Let her mind fill in the blanks. Her imagination is wilder and stronger than anything you could say. The man who can stay silent while she falls apart isn't empty. He is advanced. You don't gain attraction by shouting. You gain it by being the one man who doesn't need to speak. When you master the quiet, you stop begging to be understood and become a riddle she needs to solve. If she knows you will never walk away, you have already lost. Real power isn't in leaving. It is in being ready to. Your silence isn't a punishment. It is a reminder. It tells her that your time was a gift, not a guarantee. It tells her your peace costs something now, and she can't buy it with low effort. Every line you draw makes her heart race. Every pause between your words makes her want to get closer. She will call you heartless. What she really means is that she is no longer in charge. You don't win by running after her heart. You win by mastering your own. She won't remember the easy times. She will remember the storm behind your calm, the quiet way you disappeared when she pushed too far, the silence that showed her exactly what she threw away. You don't need to prove your value.